Hey my amazing folk, this is me Komal Gupta and you are watching Komoholic World. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make two different styles of headband without having to have much items. So if you're interested, keep on watching.
To make a turban headband, you need medium to large size of t-shirt. You can even take men's t-shirt, fold the t-shirt into half, then cut a wide rectangle from the t-shirt. Now remove the seam at the bottom of the t-shirt. Cut open the loop from both the sides so that you got two strips. Fold the strips into half such that the good side is facing inwards. Now stitch on the edge like this. Repeat this step on the other strip as well. Now turn the strips inside out to bring the good side outside. Keep both the strips aside. Now again cut a small portion of a rectangular piece from the t-shirt. Fold it and stitch the edges like this. Flip the good side out like this. Next, place the strips such that their seams are in the center. Now place one strip over the other in plus shape such that their seams are facing each other. Now take the small rectangular piece and join the edges by stitching. Do it other side as well. Flip over the band to get a neat joint. And your headband is ready. Now to make a knot headband, again you need a t-shirt. Cut a wide rectangle from the t-shirt. Fold the rectangular piece. Now you need a headband like this. Find the middle and tie a knot around the headband. You need two safety pins like this. Place the safety pin to mark where the knot ends. Now untie the knot. Stitch both the sides, leaving the middle part open like this. Now remove the safety pins. Flip the good side out. Place the strip such that the seam stays in the middle. Tie a knot neatly around the headband. Slide the sides like this. Tuck the fabric inside and stitch the edges. Your knot headband is ready.
So this is it, guys. That's how you can make headbands easily at your comfort. Please let me know how it goes. So during the rituals, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. So I shall see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and have a good day.